Ever wished your PC would shut down on its own after you fall asleep watching a show or downloading something? Now, I'll show you how to do it. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Now in the Run box type Shutdown-S-F-T-600. Here's what each part means. Shutdown means calls the shutdown utility in Windows, which handles turning off, restarting, logging off, etc. -S tells the shutdown command to shut down power off the PC. -F forces any running applications to close without warning, so it doesn't hang on open programs. -T600 sets a delay of 600 seconds or 10 minutes before the shutdown happens. You may set the delay time on your own. Now press Enter or click OK. A message will pop up saying, "You are about to be signed out." It means the countdown has started. Now, you can walk away from your PC, and it will shut down automatically at the time you set. If you change your mind and want to cancel before it triggers, open Run dialog box again by pressing Windows key plus R. Now type Shutdown-A. -A stands for abort. It cancels a shutdown that's currently counting down, and press OK. That's all for today's tutorial. Before we end this video, I would like to say thank you so much to all the patrons who have subscribed on Patreon, Code Instinct. Your support means a lot and helps me keep making useful content. Don't forget to support us on Patreon, starting from $3 a month. You'll get our source code and PDF tutorials for all our content. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and ring that bell so you won't miss future tutorials. See you in the next video.